Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to switch account on Google Meet. So first, you need to open Google Meet app first. Then at the top right, tap on your profile menu and here tap on switch account. So you have three options here: add another account, use Meet without an account, or manage account on this device. So tap on manage account on this device. Now in here, choose the account you want to use instead. So toggle off your present account. So it will log you out of that account and then choose another one. So click on the drop down arrow to choose your email. And once done, tap on continue. So it will ask you to add your phone number, but you can skip that and add it later. And that's basically it. That's how you can switch account on Google Meet. So again, click on your profile menu, click on switch account, click on manage account. You can also just toggle it on. So whichever you prefer. For example, this email right here, I'm just gonna toggle it on just like that. And then turn off the present account. And you can use that account instantly. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.